Hey, what's up, Digdads here. Yeah, last night I saw a cat outside my house. It's pretty cute. So I took it inside. So right now I'm gonna show you guys the footage I shot last night. So let's go. Hey, meow. You wanna go inside? You wanna go inside? Come on. No, you cannot go inside. No way. What's your name? Huh? What's your name? Hey, buddy. Can I touch you? Please don't hurt me if I touch you. Yeah, nice kitty. Oh, you're fat kitty. Are you pregnant or fat? Alright. Oh. Oh. You wanna go up? Huh? Hey, buddy. Wanna go up? Please don't bite me. I know you're a vegetarian. You don't eat fish. Yeah, go up. Go up. Go up. Ooh. Look at her tail. A small little tail. Guys, this is really the cutest cat ever. Hey, kitty. Wanna play? Ooh, where are you going? Oh. I wonder what if I bring you. No, cannot. No. What you doing? Hey. What the hell are you doing? Oh. Alright, so that's all I got. If you want to know what happened after the video, I got very hungry and I ate it. Just kidding, I don't eat cat. What? Racist, huh? Huh? You think all Chinese eat cat, huh? Racist! Racist! Alright, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos and check out my old The Cutest Cat Ever. And subscribe to my channel, press like, comment, whatever you want to do. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.